First of all, install Termux. If you are unsure how to do so, please refer to the video provided in the description. Now, I have supplied a GitHub repository link. Please go there, copy the auto-install command, and paste it into Termux. Next, wait for the installation to complete. To verify whether Django is installed, paste the following command into Termux. You will clearly see the current Django version. To create a new project, use the following command to generate a Django project named MySite. Navigate to the MySite directory and start the Django server. Proceed to make migrations and migrate to create tables in the database, then run the server again. Question: why we do not recommend installing Django in a virtual environment? Because while installing the Pillow package in Termux using pip, some devices encounter errors. As a workaround, we suggest using the Python Pillow package instead of directly installing from pip. Furthermore, activating a virtual environment may cause Pillow to malfunction due to isolation from its necessary dependencies. Hence, we recommend installing Django globally to ensure its seamless functionality.